So I will be unboxing my Clarins purchase. So I bought this body shaping cream and then shaping facial lift serum, the double serum, and these are some of the freebies that I got. So it targets stubborn curves and firms. So let's open it. This is how it is. We have this shaping facial lift serum. It looks like this. And then the third one is double serum. Looks like this. Two options here, this one and this one. If you wanna pump it out like a lot of cream or just small amount. Thank you guys.